Hey guys, welcome back. So Samsung is already working on its flagship Galaxy S22 series where mass production of these devices will begin in the next month. A new image of Samsung's high-speed charger has also been leaked, on which we'll be talking about. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So many of you will know that Samsung is doing something different this time, whereas now the company has decided to launch S22 series more with Snapdragon chipset instead of Exynos, which means at least 70% S22 models will come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and only 30% models will run on Exynos 2200. But some new information from Ice Universe, he says Samsung will be one of the first brands to use the ultra high-end Android CPU MediaTek Dimensity 9000, and this chipset is surprisingly as powerful as the Apple's latest A15 Bionic chipset. By looking at this graph, you can get an idea about the performance of this CPU, but we have to wait for the actual numbers running this chip on a device. Now here you're looking at the Samsung's latest 65-watt fast charger with Type-C connector, which can also charge at 25 watt, and standard 15 watt comes with normal USB port. In terms of design, there's nothing new here, looks like any other Samsung charger, but it'll be sold separately by Samsung. There's not even a single phone by Samsung which offers high-speed charging as of now, but the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra will support up to 45 watt fast wired charging, and the good thing is this charger has power delivery option, which means you can charge other devices like laptop and tablets as well. Now the best part is Galaxy S22 Ultra will come One UI 4.0 based on Android 12 out of the box, lots of amazing features, new and better animation and dynamic theme support, by which users can change the color of the icons or the interface according to their preference. Here Samsung will be providing 3 years of major Android updates and 4 years security updates, which is a good thing for the end consumer, where the company is bringing latest updates faster on their devices but only for the flagships. Now talking about some specifications, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will offer a 6.8-inch display with 1440p resolution, 2x dynamic AMOLED panel and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. So the display will be top notch here, where according to some rumors this will be the brightest display ever, which Samsung will be adding to their flagships, so the outdoor visibility will be great. On the back of the phone there will be a flagship quad camera setup without any camera housing, which has a main sensor of 108 megapixel, 10 megapixel telephoto zoom lens which can go up to 3x optical, 10 megapixel periscope zoom lens with 10x zoom, and at last 12 megapixel ultra wide lens for the wide angle photos. So no doubt this camera system will produce good quality images and videos, whereas now a new button will be added for 108 megapixel mode, in which users can turn on detail enhanced mode to get the full potential of the sensor. Some information about the battery: it'll have a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast wired charging, which can charge up 0 to 70% in 35 minutes. Not so fast, but still better than the previous one. 15 watt wireless charging and 4.5 watt of reverse wireless charging. The best feature will be the integration of the S Pen inside the Galaxy S22 Ultra, just like the Note series, and this move will make many people happy, and even the sales of the phone can be higher this time. So there you go guys, this is the Galaxy S22 Ultra launching next year at best price and great specifications. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question related to this smartphone, and if you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.